Hi, I'm Lisa from Square One Training. I'm going to share a fantastic feature with you, which is a shortcut for formatting spreadsheets. So if you look at the spreadsheet I've actually got at the moment, I'd like all the formulas to be bold, and obviously these decimals need to be tidied up as well. So if you click anywhere in your sheet, make sure nothing's highlighted. If you look onto the Home tab, this is called the ribbon, we've got Home tab. You'll see something up there called Find and Select. You'll either see it as a magnifying glass or you'll see it as a pair of binoculars. But if you click there and choose formulas, that will highlight them very quickly. Then you could do bold and use your normal formatting that's here. And then you could then decrease the decimal. So you can do that in format cells, or you can do it straight from the ribbon. I'm just going to use the ribbon and I'm going to decrease down the decimal all the way till I need it to go where it is, which I think is fantastic. You could also, while you're there as well, you could change your formatting to be currency. And obviously if I'd done that, it would have done the 2 decimal places anyway, because that's what it's programmed to do. If I click away from there, what I'd like to do is highlight the numbers now. So back to my Find and Select. This time you'll see that numbers isn't on the list. So if you go for something called Go to Special, on the keyboard that's Control G as well. So it's the same thing. Go to Special. You can then come here and say, I want to highlight my constants that are, for instance, the numbers. Constants are things that are typed that basically don't change, so constants. So constants that are numbers, press OK. That will then highlight all of your numbers within your sheet, and I can then say I'd like those to be currency as well. I prefer the drop-down currency, by the way, rather than this one. This one's accountancy currency. I prefer my pound touching. This one does that effect, which I'm not a big fan of. So if I do Control Z, that's undo, leave it the way it was. So they're all done. If I then click away so nothing's highlighted, I'm going to go back to my Find and Select. I'm going to choose Go to Special again. This time I'm going to say, okay guys, what I want is I want all the headings around the outside edge. So these are constants, again they're typed, and these are text. Fantastic. So choose all those options, press OK, make them all bold, and let's go for my corporate backdrop color, which is dark blue with white text. There you go. So that's how you can format using some of those amazing tips very, very quickly. I hope you like them. Hope you like that trick. Thank you.